Power electronics. The name itself tells us combination of two words, power as well as electronics. Now the power is mainly used in electrical engineering. Now, in electrical engineering, the power, which is nothing but voltage, current, and P, is the power, which is a combination of VI. All the parameters will be in high range. Whenever you talk about the voltage at home, it will be 230 volts, then 1 kilowatts per hour. 1 kilowatt is nothing but it's near about 4 to 5 amps of current. Only disadvantage we are having in electrical energy, that is the frequency is constant. But in India it will be 50 Hz. In electronics, if you observe all these parameters, that is V, I, P, very small values. That is 1 volt, milliamps, microamps, milliwatts, like this. The advantage here it is that frequency can be varied. It can operate at any frequency. The advantage in electrical engineering and the advantage in electronics is combinedly forms a power electronics. The power electronics, we can use high ratings of power and different frequencies. Power deals with the static and rotating power equipments like generators, transmission, distribution of power, whereas electronics deals with solid state devices and circuit signal processing. We are using high powers and different frequencies, then definitely we need a control over these parameters. So we need a control over this. We can say that the power electronics is the combination of a power as well as electronics and a control mechanism. We can define the power electronics as the application of solid state electronics for the control and conversion of electrical power. History. In 1990s, introduction of mercury arc rectifier, then the metal tank rectifier, grid connected vacuum tube rectifier, ignitron, phenatron, and thyratron were introduced gradually, and these devices applied for the power control up to 1950s. The first electronic revolution began at 1948, 1 year after the independence of India, with the invention of silicon transistors at Bell Laboratory. Next breakthrough is 1956, where the same Bell Laboratory invented PNP triggering transistor, also known as SCR, silicon control rectifier, and thyristors. Please mention in the comments what is the importance of 1956 for India. The second electronic revolution began in 1958, where a commercial thyristors by General Electric Company. These two are invented by the Bell Laboratories, and this one General Electronics Company. Power semiconductor devices. In 1956, Bell Laboratory developed SCR, silicon control rectifier. Thereafter, we have power diodes, thyristors, power BJTs, MOSFETs, IGBTs, SIT, and you can also see power semiconductor devices in the next slides, and also characteristics and symbols of semiconductor devices in the next. Whenever you are designing a power electronic equipment, it can be divided into 4 important parts, that is power circuit, protection of power device, control strategy, design of logic and gating circuit, power source is connected to input filters, then a power converter and which is connected to output filter and the output, and this feedback to switching control signal generator, and this feedback again goes to power converter so that you can get the desired output. A general power converter system. If you have any suggestions and queries, please mention in the comment box.